Hi, fifth grade. It's Wednesday. We are on review week 2. Make sure you have your Google Doc open from Google Classroom, a piece of paper in case you need to do any work or write on anything, and then something to write with. Today we're going to talk about elapsed time. That means time that has already passed, or we're trying to figure out how much time has passed. So we have a number line here to help us out. We're going to do the first one together, and then you guys will do the second two on your own to turn in. Our first one, we're going to start at 2 o'clock, and it goes to 6 o'clock on our number line. It told me that my start time was 2:15, so I'm going to come up here and put a dot on 2:15 and label that as my start. And then I'm not sure what my stop time is. That's what I'm trying to figure out. But I know that my amount of time that has elapsed or gone by is 2 hours and 45 minutes. So I'm going to start at 2:15, and I'm going to go forward 2 hours first. So 2:15 to 3:15. This would be 1 hour. And then 3:15 to 4:15 would be 2 hours, and then 45 minutes. Well, I noticed that my number line is going up by 15 minutes each time, and I know, I'm going to write this over here on my paper, that 45 minutes would equal 15 plus 15 plus 15. So I'm going to go forward 3 small 15-minute jumps. So 1, 2, 3. So here is my, this would be 15, 15, 15 for a total of 45. Here's my end. So my stop time would be 5 o'clock. Okay, let's look at the other two problems. I'm not going to work them with you, but I do want us to notice some things. This one is showing me my stop time, so I'm going to stop. Here, we'll go ahead and label our stop at 10 o'clock. Stop is at 10 p.m. or 10 o'clock, and I know that 2 hours and 35 minutes have passed since my start time, which I'm trying to figure out. So I'm going to want to go backwards this direction on the number line, 2 hours and 35 minutes. So you're going to figure out where the start time would be on that second one. And then on the third one, it tells me my start time is at 3:45. I'm going to go ahead and put that down. And it tells me my stop time was at 6:15. Go ahead and put that down. You have to figure out how much time has passed between 3:45 and 6:15. So use your number line to help you count forward to see how much total time has passed to get your elapsed time. Work hard.